Hello, everyone. My name is Alicia Martin, and the three assets that I feel are significant for this class are number one, I have over 20 years experience in the social service field, including being a therapeutic staff support, working at group homes, um, and doing social service at skilled nursing facilities, which includes, discharge planning and care plans, treatment plans, assessments, and things on that realm. My second asset, I believe, is that I have collaborated with psychiatrists and other medical professionals. Um, and so I have worked directly with individuals, families, and groups. And then lastly, for my last asset is my undergrad degree is in sociology. So with the mix of the medical model by working with psychiatrists and medical professionals, along with my sociology degree, I feel that it allows me to help people and see them as a whole person. So hopefully, we will all be able to help one another through this process. Thank you so much.